A very good morning to you all students. This is the second module of your chapter Money and Inflation. Today we shall discuss about the various type of inflation. The various categories of inflation are because of the rate of rise in price. Creeping inflation occurs when the price level increases at a very mild rate, suppose only 2 to 3%. That is called mild inflation. Walking inflation. In walking inflation, the increase in price level is from 3 to 6%. When the rate of increase in the price level is in the range of 3 to 6% per annum, it is called walking inflation or moderate inflation. Coming to running inflation, when the price level rises at a faster rate and is generally around 10% per annum, it is called running inflation. In running inflation, the percentage of change in level of price is 10%. Galloping inflation. Galloping inflation or hyperinflation is a price rise that increases at a double or triple digit rate like 20, 100 or 200%. Many Latin America countries such as Argentina, Brazil, they experienced inflation rate of 50 to 70% per year in the 1970 and 1980. So this is called hyperinflation. Coming to the various effects of inflation, there are various effects of inflation on production, on wage earners, and on fixed income groups like pension. So when there is mild degree of inflation, a very mild, supposed to 1 or 2% of inflation is required in the economy. But a high rate of inflation will lead to the following. A sharp rise in price, particularly when it is not anticipated, creates a situation of uncertainty in the economy. Whenever there is a high price rise, there is a uncertainty in the economy and the production activity stops. This leads to the stopping of investment activity as well. In inflation, generally people use the money for speculative purposes like purchasing of share, land, because the prices are rising. So they go for speculative purposes and they do not encourage investment in goods, investment in production, which is not good for the economy. Then, what is the effect of inflation on wages, wage earners, and salaried class? The effect of inflation on wage earners and salaried class is that they lose during inflation. See, the wages, they are, suppose a person is having some wages, so when inflation happens, immediately the wages do not increase. Okay, first reason is that the increase in wages and salary does not keep pace with the rising price. The price is very high, but the wages may not increase at the same level. Secondly, inflation happens and the increase in wages is generally after 3 or 4 months. It doesn't happen immediately. So in that case, what happens? Wages and salary eventually rise during inflation. They do not immediately rise. So people will lose during inflation. Next point is fixed income earners. Fixed income earners like pension, people having pension, they also lose during inflation. Why? Because pension is a fixed amount and the government changes pension very periodically and it is not changed very much, it is changed very less. So what happens is government revise the pensions periodically, but the change is not much. It doesn't keep up with the rising prices. Secondly, generally people deposit their saving in bank or in post office in the form of deposits, and the deposits do not have much rate of interest to keep up with the rising prices to meet the inflation requirements. Profit earners are businessmen, and they benefit during inflation. When the prices are rising, the businessmen are still selling the goods. So they will sell the goods at higher price and they will get windfall gains or very high profits. Generally, in the time of inflation, the businessmen are in profits because when the price are rising, they are selling their goods at that time at a good higher price and they make huge profits. That's all in this chapter, students. That's all for today. Thank you.